What's up, guys? Welcome back to J.V.M. Today we're going back to Jeff's shop, Gleaming Auto Steaming here in Spring Hill. It's one of the last days he has this shop because he is moving to Colorado way sooner than I am. But he still has the Mclaren 720S in there, so we're going to get some more shots on how the whole Ceramic Pro process is done. Just walk you through all the steps and just try to capture everything else we can. So let's go get it. I had to squeeze these guys in here too. The big pup. This is Hans. Yeah. And this is Olive. Say what's up. All right, Jeff, what have you done since the last time we were here?
So I've done full ceramic coating on the entire car. The glass, the paint, the wheels, the calipers, everything has got its first layer. And then tomorrow, after this is cured for at least 8 hours, we'll get this top coat put on there, and then we'll let it cure for an additional 24 hours, and the client will be here Saturday morning to pick it up.
So I'm going to pick up some sushi, but we pulled the Mclaren out because one of Jeff's close friends, longtime friend, is coming by with his R8. Just getting a little wash right before, you know, the shop's closed down and the whole move's done. So gonna get some of that coming soon, but about to watch me eat. Well, it's reached the end of the day. I'm back at home, getting comfy with the pups. But want to give a huge shout out to Corner Threes on Instagram for letting us film the whole process on the R8 done today. Huge shout out to Bam for letting us film the process on the Mclaren. I know I didn't get the ceramic pro shots, but work's getting done whether I'm there or not. So big shout out to Gleaming Auto Steaming. Wish the best for him in the future ventures, and as we go on, we hope to have some more awesome content coming soon. So feel free to subscribe and drop a like. Thanks for watching.